Bible seminars were held in each region of Korea for a week. Good News Daedeok Church invited Pastor Shim Hong-seon to hold a Bible seminar and preach the gospel to seniors who attended the Gimcheon Happiness Sharing Silver Banquet last month. Good News Imsil Church preached the gospel to residents in detail about how to receive forgiveness of sins through Pastor Lee Chung-hak's Bible seminar. Good News Janggake Church also held a Bible seminar with Pastor Hyun Sung Jang and said the members were grateful to be able to prepare for the event and be with the church. Next, Good News East Ulsan Church held a Bible seminar with Pastor Sam Kwon Kim. In particular, many seniors, foreign workers, and international students attended this event, which was the first Bible seminar after the construction of the new chapel, and had the opportunity to watch various performances and hear the gospel. Good News Incheon Church held Bible seminars for each department, including the women's group and youth group, and spread the gospel widely in churches, unmanned cafes, and homes. A joint worship service was held at Good News Wejeongbu Church on October 30th with Pastor Oksa Park. Pastor Ji Hee-han officiated, and Pastor Hong Yeol-ru of Gimpo Church offered a prayer, and the congregation's music and choir decorated the service. Pastor Oksu Park delivered the message that we must believe that we have been justified by the blood of Jesus and live a life of spreading the gospel. The believers expressed their hope for the day when the true gospel will resonate in the Wejeongbu area. Good News Dongsan and Yongdeok churches held the One Mind Sports Festival on October 27th. New believers and their families also had a great time participating in sports activities, and a nostalgic karaoke session for silver students was also a meaningful time. At the evening service, Pastor Kim Ki-seong delivered the message that discovering one's sins is the way to heaven. The competition ended with a lucky draw and gift-giving, and Dongbusan Church announced that it will continue to invite new believers in the future. The regional finals of the 2024 IYF English-speaking contest were held in regions of Korea on 26th of last month. In Builgyang final held at the main auditorium of new building of Gyeong Sangnam-do Provincial Office, 42 students from middle school and 49 from high school participated and presented on 5 topics. The middle school grand prize was won by Kim Dae-yeon of Gunyong Middle School, and the high school grand prize was won by Jang Jin-woo of Bisan Link School. The major winners from will compete again in finals to be held in Seoul 2 weeks later. On October 26, East Seoul Church held the 6th Multicultural Korean Speech Contest at Jeonninggu office. 100 multicultural families and international students gave presentations on topics like adjusting to life in Korea and being proud of families, and it was a rich event with congratulatory messages from the Jeonninggu mayor and National Assembly member and sponsorships from various organizations. Pastor Kim Do-jun preached that true communication and happiness are possible when we acknowledge each other's differences, and China's Kim Young-I won the grand prize and India's 3-character pool won the grand prize also. Lesotho Good News Masera Church held a special Sunday service last Sunday, inviting those who were to receive the gospel. About 100 people attended, and performances and special hymns were performed by Righteous Stars and Sunday School. Missionary Shim Ju-hwan preached about the New Covenant, in which Jesus forgave all sins, and after the service, we had a group meeting to reflect on the New Covenant and God's grace. The Masera Church expressed its hope that this true gospel would spread throughout Lesotho. Good News Seobusan Church Silver University held a cheerful sports day for local seniors at Sinpyeong Gymnasium on October 27. More than 100 seniors had a happy time enjoying various games that reminded them of their childhood sports days. National Assembly member Cho Kyang-tae and Lee Seong-kwon, the Sahagu mayor, and city council members delivered congratulatory remarks, and Pastor Park Kyang-duk of Seobusan Church comforted and expressed respect for the elderly by preaching the gospel on the topic of happiness. Good News Wonju Church held the Heart Talk Family Festival on October 26 for communication and harmony among Wonju citizens. It was held at Lifelong Education Center and consisted of a family presentation in first part and an experiential activity in second part, from 3-year-old children to seniors in 90s, becoming a venue for empathy and harmony between generations. Variety of booths were operated, and with a congratulatory speech by City Councilor Jang Soon-hwang and a mind lecture by instructor ry'Imana. Attendees expressed their impressions that it was so meaningful and felt the happiness of becoming one. Ancient Philippine Church participated in the 2024 Jamaica Philippine Culture EG held at Mulbit Stage in Uito Hanggang Park on October 26th and 27th. By operating a Philippine booth, they introduced Philippine culture to Seoul citizens and tourists through various experiences such as tasting traditional Philippine shaved ice and making masquerade masks. The Philippine Church said that through this activity, it promoted the church and preached the gospel to 40 volunteers. The second Korean Day event was held at the Asunción N branch in Paraguay on October 26. This event, prepared in response to many requests, entertained attendees with various Korean culture experience booths and Korean food. K-pop performances and cultural performances continued in the morning and afternoon, and after the performance, Pastor Hyo Han preached the gospel. In the evening, a talent contest called Brilloy K-pop Edition was held, and the Paraguay branch said it was a meaningful day where they preached the gospel from morning to evening.